heroes of faith. Her smiles build my confidence. Her unceasing prayers are my shield. Her faith confronts the barriers of sad traditions. No force can subdue her motherly valor. Her silence builds the next ladder. Though she falls, still the fire burns on, and rise up with renewed triple faith. An undying magic and mystical beauty is on your faith. Amma. Her test and testimony of faith makes her one of the heroes of faith. Faith is the bridge from zero to hero. By faith, you can be the unique hero. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers of the world. You all deserve the best. May God bless you all. Thank you.